you pour the oil down. There's a lot of things that is.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well and that you guys are keeping safe. If this is your very first time meeting this bold, beautiful, dark-skinned girl from South Sudan, you're highly welcome to my space. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know where you're watching from. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, or I don't know if it really corresponds, so I'm shooting a intro for a video that I've already shot in the village when I went to the village for work. So I bought, or rather we bought $4 fish, and you see how big or how many the amount of fish that we bought, and we cooked them. And actually a little story time to that. So after we cooked that fish, you know, when we were cooking, it was already night. Even you guys will see the quality of the video is not that good because it was at night, right? So actually I was using my phone for a torch. So there were a lot of cats around, and that day it rains, and there's actually a river nearby just at the fence. So the cats were around us. Even they collected like some fish from us too that we were cooking. So after we cooked everything, after just leaving, kumbe when we were cooking, python was around. Yes, you heard me right, there was python around. So after we just left like this, we had someone like beating something, and we asked him what is it, and he's like, a python swallowed a cat. Guys, that's exactly how I reacted. Like, I wanted to cry. I was so confused, and I was just imagining, okay, all this time that we were cooking, what was this python doing? Like, where was it? And the place is very near the kitchen, like it's just here, you get. And it's just the same way we use, like it was God that was protecting us. And that day I was not thinking of any danger. You know, sometimes when your instinct can inform you, or like you can have a feeling of something bad is happening, or panicking or anything like that. Me, I'm big on that. My instinct always communicate to me. But that day instead, I was thinking all the good things that have happened to me in this life, all the things, like I was just imagining good things, the things that I'm planning ahead, the things that I'm thinking God is preparing for me, like those kind of crazy imagination. Those are the things that are running through my mind. Then my colleague that was with me, all the time, she was thinking of snake. Actually, she was thinking of python, because I think she was aware that there's python around in the compound. Me, I was told as joke because they know I have snake phobia. So they told me there's python here, and I was scared, and they were like, no, they're just joking, but you know, this place there must be snake around. I'm like, yeah, I know. That's why I actually don't move anyhow. So for her, she knew there was python for real, and the entire time that we were there, she was only thinking of python. Like every small time she could tell me, you pass light, there's small insects moving there. It's like 3 times. And you know, she's not that type that is like scared as me. For me, I'm serious coward when it comes to some things. I'm not that strong, sure. I have strong face for free, but no, I am not. I have soft heart. Yeah, that's what I would say. So she was the one disturbing me. Oh, please light. Oh, please light. Kumbe, she was thinking of those things, and me, I was not. I was just in my own world, imagining all the good things in this life. I was just grateful, and I was just thanking God. Even that day when I was praying, I was like, God, thank you so much for life, and thank you for protecting me even from things that I don't know. Continue to protect me and my family from any danger, every evil plan against me, in my family. Like, those are the kind of things, like I was just grateful, and I was telling God to continue fighting for the battles that even I don't know that she's fighting. Guys, kumbe the devil was planning hard. Anyway, yeah, it was bad. I did not want to see it. I did not take the picture. My colleague did take the picture, but I don't even want to see, like it's there, but I don't want to see. I cannot see a snake in a photo or a video or even in real life. When I see it, I must scream. Like, that's how bad it is. So you guys are not going to see, and I just thank God that we survived. I don't know why he did not attack us. If it was because we were cooking with firewood, if it is because of the fire, or if it is because of God, yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I'm grateful, and that's what we went through cooking that fish. So what we did with the fish was, That night we cooked it, we kept it in the fridge. Then the next day we divided it, brought it to Juba, and me now I stay alone here. My family is not really here. If you know or you don't know or you must know. So I gave to my neighbors and they did enjoy here. So that's the story behind cooking that fish. So you guys should watch and enjoy. So that was $4 fish that we cooked like in 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, so enjoy and let me know what you think about that. And yeah, that's it. So all these fish you see here, we bought them at $4, which is 4,000 SSP. Like all this you see, I don't even know how many there are, but there are a lot. Like the bucket was full of this fish and we cooked them like for 2 hours. Where did this light come from? It shocked me also. You know when I was taking those and there was no light. Did you see the light? Again, we did not have so many spices, so if you watch my previous video, you will know what I'm talking about. So it's the same pounded garlic and black pepper. Is it black pepper? Yeah. So that's it, and now I am marinating them one by one. We cut them like that so that the spice can actually enter very well, and also they can cook very well. So continue to watch and let me know in the comment section, is this fish too much for $4 or you think it is less? This is only because it is in the village. In Juba, I'm sure you can get only 2 for $2 or even 3, but look at what we got at $4 only. You guys, oh my god, village life. Omo. Small saucepan, so we have to cook them one.
You go and eat.
But where do you get this fish? Very good. Maria, this is your bunch.
Yeah, this one I will dance.
I don't want to eat now.
You get.
I have to wait for fish.
You have to wait for fish.
Here.
Hey, let me go very fast.
You put me and be funny.
You adjust it well. It's okay. Not overcook it. It's okay.
Yes.
I think you're better. If you ask me.
But why do I see this hala is bigger than the other one? Or they're the same?
No, they're the same almost. No, this is bigger.
Finish. Am I ready to buy?
Let me get the other.
Okay.
Okay, you get and I take a picture of you. I think these ones are smaller. Maria, you pour the oil down. There's a lot of space that is.
Our oil.
This time I'm done cooking. I'm not going to allow Maria to Oh.
This one is sweet.
Just catch it.
Yeah, yummy. It is yummy. Yeah. So this one even when you don't turn it. This one even can take two, but let's mention one. You put
I'm thinking of putting a smaller one. This. No, that's okay.
I stick again. This one I love themselves.
This is beautiful.
Good progress.
Yeah. This one, people are going to enjoy it.
Myself. That one is working.
You can get it up.
The whatever. What is it? Now we are finalizing. We are remaining with this one, the small one. This one we are going to put them two. So yeah. Yep. We are ready.
This one was a lot.
The oil is enough.
The one was a lot. So there's no need to turn it.
This is good progress. Where?
This is beautiful.
Fantastic.
And here I get it.
Fantastic. So the first ones, they were big, so we had to put them one because the saucepan is not that big. So now after frying the big ones, at least the remaining one are somehow smaller, so we are putting them two so that we can actually finish quickly. It was late, as you guys can see. The quality of the video is not clear because it was at night and there was no light. Actually, we're using my phone for light because there's no light. Yeah, so we're putting the second piece now. Good. Fantastic. Yeah.
Start shifting them.
Yeah.
Maybe we shift them.
If you put a bit closer, let's carry it. So I carry it with my hands. It's not going to help us as far as right now is concerned. Now this one ones, I think we should put them aside because in case we'll start with.
The big one should also go down.
We'll start with those ones. Gee,
It's hot? It is not hot.
it's not what it is nice, my sister.
Ah! Walai, you scared me. I thought you were burning. Let this thing get ready safely. This.
It will reach very safe. This one, we just put in a bucket. Hey, this
one
one
has
over
cuts.
bad for life. But it's okay. This is actual. If you wet fry it, let it cook with the soup very well.
Yeah.
So, to put this up here, just at the edge of the
Yeah.
this one. Yeah.
Or even we replace it up here. Because this.
We add this one here, Maso. We add this one to this one. Have you?
I was thinking that we just carry it and add them now inside.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we put the chairs the other side. Give it there.
Can we add it in one place? Final touches. We are done. Frying.
I don't know, we eat the downer ones or these ones? Which one?
This one is hot, Sha. They are very hot. Huh?
I leave those two. And this one's you can put there.
And we are eating these ones for testing.